Hello friends, today in this video, I will bring to you the new iOS theme style for Xiaomi HyperOS devices. Theme has smooth dynamic island, click to extend. iOS flashlight animation, like HyperOS 2.1. Wake up animation effect. Control Center support HyperOS 2. Smooth animation. Circle icon style. Apply all applications. System UI change. New style volume bar. Dialer UI change. Double tap bot bar to custom. Clock style custom. Blur home screen wallpaper. Default theme wallpaper. 8 colorful wallpapers. All of them has depth effect. Now change to your own wallpaper. Enter customize lock style theme screen. Select following me to custom your wallpaper. Choose this option. Next. First, import original image. Next, select this option to active depth effect. Choose transparent background image. Try this with any wallpapers. Custom TED on bottom bar. Custom text under battery widget. Return theme default wallpapers. Backup theme in video description. You can use it to restore on your global devices. If you don't know how to do it, watch tutorial in video description. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.